Hi, this is Amy Soto, and this is my Physical Education Interactive Resource Newsletter. Down here I have information on Shape America. They were founded in 1885. I have information on the organization and what they provide for educators around the country. I also added their vision right here. Over here on this side, choosemyplate.gov. They started in 1994. I have information on their background, but I also have information on what they provide as far as quizzes, the My Plate plan, toolkits, printable material to use in the classroom for parents and educators. My two articles that I found right here, one is fitness and your 6 to 12-year-old. The articles, I like what the article mentions about the importance of physical education, but it also talks about bone strengthening, which I think is cool because I feel like we know why it's important, but we don't really, well, I at least don't hear too much about the bone strengthening and the importance of self-esteem and confidence that it builds through that. This other article I found was promoting physical activity in children through family-based intervention. I really like this one because I have kids at home, so it really helped me think of ways to have my kids be active. But I also like that I mentioned it's not just the involvement from mom or just dad, it's involvement from mom and dad that helps shape the child's behavior. And then down here, the book I chose is called You Are a Lion. It's a really cool book that has lots of different yoga poses for children to practice. It's more for younger children, but I've used this in the classroom and it's really good. It's really interactive and fun, and the kids really enjoyed this book. And that's my newsletter. Thanks.